Bringing this one to you could see the folks at Elle Vire. I'm doing a little creamy, cheesy dip. Pimentos, bell peppers, some sweet peppers, and now I'm adding a little heat with some jalapeno peppers. This is a 3-pepper creamy cheesy dip. 2 tubs of the good cream cheese from Elle Vire. In here, to my Elle Vire cream cheese, I'm adding a little bit of mayonnaise, about a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, a little red wine vinegar, and now 3 peppers, bell peppers, pimento peppers, and a little jalapeno pepper for that kick. At this stage, I can reseason just with a little salt, a little pepper. It's a nice flavorful dip that you can add even to your Christmas table with a little chip and dip.